Good morning everyone. We are students of class 8 performing an activity on the Constitution of India. This is Constitution of India. Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar is known as the father of Indian Constitution. It consists 6 rights. These are:
I am going to talk about right to equality. Right to equality, it is the fundamental rights that all people should be treated without any discrimination.
Right to freedom is a fundamental right guaranteed by the Indian Constitution. This Constitution gives all the citizens liberty of live and work freely within the territory of India.
Right against exploitation. It is a fundamental human right provided by the Constitution. It is described in the Article 23 and 24. It prohibits forced labor, human trafficking and employment of children under 14 years of age.
Cultural and educational rights are human rights that promote respect and equality for all regions, cultures and languages. They include the right to an expression, the right to participate in culture strike, the right to freedom to receive an education. In India, these rights are under the Article 29 and 30 in our Constitution.
Right to freedom of religion covered in Article 25 to 28 providing religion freedom to all citizens and ensure a secular state in India. According to the Constitution, there are no other religion freedom.
right to constitutional remedies. It is described in the Article 32 to 35 as enshrined as the last fundamental right in Indian Constitution. It is pivotal for justice, accountability and the protection of individual rights. It empowers the citizens to seek redress for the local rights, which is crucial for younger.
Thank you.
Thank you.